was it born?
Okay. Uh, my training was first as a classical dancer, ballet dancer, for many years, the school, and then more studies, and then I danced as a ballet dancer. And from some years, I started to be interested in work with non-dancers because I always was giving class for professional dancers. And then I start to research what to do and how to create something for people that don't want to be on stage dancing, but just want to dance and and not work about technique and be a good dancer, but just let flow the dance inside, and try to find our dance inside. So I started to give class for normal people, common people actually. And then I was there in Brazil where I live in a paradise there in the dunes with a lot of sand. And I started to dance there, and I invited some friends to go with me to dance. And there I had the idea, why not one workshop for non-dancers, for people that wants to begin to dance maybe, or just try to dance something different, discover new movements. So then came the first idea. Okay, Be the Dance can be a series of workshops for non-dancers, non-dancers and beginners. And then you are here now in Oslo, and next stop will be in Berlin to give the first workshop, Be Water. And Be Water is about just flow, just let go and surrender to the dance. And the dance is there, is inside you, is inside me, is there. Just you have to allow this to happen.